guys, so today I will going to show you the one that I made. Okay, so this is for a queen size bed scarf. Okay, so basically it is very simple. Okay, I will put on the description box, okay, how to make these granny squares, okay, and then how to add this embellishment, okay, the flower embellishment. Okay, so what I did, okay, is I created granny squares. Okay, so 3 6 of white. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and I added 1 2 3 of red in the middle. Okay, so I have a video of this, and I have a video as well of how to connect the granny squares. Okay, so I have two different tutorials in there, but this one is I used the castle line slip stitch. Okay, and yeah, so all you need is 9 of granny squares. With the granny squares is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows, okay, of granny squares. Make that 9 pieces of it. Okay, and then you have to connect it, and then with the on your bed. Okay, so you have to measure how much you need. Okay, so these stretches, but I didn't stretch that much. Okay, I just put it on the top, and then I did the okay, these flowers or these granny squares is on top of the bed. Okay, and then I created this, okay, going to the side. Okay, and then added with tassels, okay, just to have that effect. Okay, so in this side here, as you can see, it's very easy. Okay, so here just chain 3, okay, and in the corner, and then chain here. Okay, so double crochet, chain 3 double crochet here. I did put double crochet as well, and then chain 1, and then after that, because I have 1 2 3 4 double crochet in this side, and then after that I go 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and 3 double crochet in the same stitch, going, okay, on top of this 3 double crochet. On top of that I created 3 double crochet, and then on the last part, okay, I did 3 double crochet plus 1 in the side. Okay, and then just go that, okay, how much you need. So with mine is I did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 rows. Okay, and after that, okay, so I did that in both sides. Okay, so it's the same in this side as well, and the same rows. And then after that, after I connected all in the middle, and then I did started, okay, I did started this side here. Okay, so it's the same as well. So I started from here, 3 double crochet, chain 3. Okay, so chain 3, and then chain 3, and then after that I jump into this middle here. I jump 1 row. Okay, I went into the next row, and then put the 3 double crochet in the same space, and then jump 1 row again, and then continue that going to the other side. Okay, so it's just a repetition. Okay, so on top of 3 double crochet I put in the middle, and then started 3 double crochet again in the same in the same space. Okay, it's just in the middle. It is very simple. And then after that, okay, I did this. I'm not sure if you can see it properly. Okay, so like mountain. Okay, mountain edging. Okay, so zigzag, you can put that a zigzag as well, or like a mountain. Okay, or a shell. Okay, and so with that is I started 3 chain. Okay, 3 chain, and then into the in top of the 3 double crochet in the middle. Okay, I started 3 double crochet and then chain 2, and then single crochet, and then I added 3 double crochet again in the same space. Okay, and then into the next row, okay, I did single crochet in the middle, and then I started my shell again. Okay, my shell in the next one. So the first row, okay, I did make my first shell, okay, or fan. Okay, and then in the second row, okay, single crochet, and then in the third row I started my fan again. Okay, and then the next is single crochet, connect. Okay, and then so on and so forth until you get to the end, and then just go back and forth, and you will be doing the same in this side as well. So I will put all of that. Okay, so all of those this part here, okay, with the granny squares and stuff, I will put that into the description. Okay, and you can just watch that, and then after that you just have to do this. Okay, so this part is really very simple, as I mentioned it to you. Okay, so we just looking at it, you can tell how did I made that. Okay, so this is just a very quick video. If you have any questions, guys, if you want me to show you step by step, let me know, leave a comment below, and I'm very happy to help. Okay, I will be just doing a small tutorial for that, but this is really cute. I like it. Okay, so this one I made this this is an order for me for the bed. So yeah, I'm very happy to deliver this, and hopefully she will like it. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and as I mentioned, I will put everything into the description box. Okay, the stitches that is connected to this, all I don't have there is just this part here. Okay, I might do a tutorial of this edging. Okay, so you have an idea how to make it just watching the video, but as I said, it is very simple. Okay, so it is just like 3 double crochet, and then chain 2, and then single crochet, and then 3 double crochet again into the same stitch. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and please like, share my videos, and if you're new and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you subscribe, please don't forget to click that notification bell so you get notified every time I uploaded a new video. Okay, and enjoy, guys, and until the next video, thank you, bye.